Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to fix when two-finger scroll is not working in Windows 10 or 11. But before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button from there. And comment down below on the videos about your problem, and don't worry, we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Update the touchpad drivers. For this, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager option. After that, locate and expand the Mice and Other Pointing Device category. Then from there, right-click on a touchpad device and just simply select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software. Number 2. Windows Update. For this, press the Windows plus I key together to open the Windows settings. Then from there, click on Update and Security. Then in the Update and Security window, click on Windows Update in the left hand side menu. Then from there, click on Check for Updates and let Windows search for any available updates and will automatically download them. After the updates are installed, just simply restart a computer to apply the changes. Number 3. Enable two-finger scrolling from device settings. For this, get the control panel open. Then from there, navigate to the category view option and choose hardware and sound option. Then from there, click mouse under the device and printers tab. Then from there, go to device settings tab in the device window. Next, choose the touchpad and press the settings icon. Then select the two-finger scrolling checkbox after swiping down the multi-finger gesture menu. Then just simply click apply to put the changes into effect after that. Number 4. Reinstall touchpad drivers. For this, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Then from there, locate the Mice and Other Pointing Device category and expand it. Then right-click on a touchpad device and select Update Driver. Then choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will try to find and install the latest drivers for your touchpad. If updating the driver doesn't solve the issue, don't worry. Try uninstalling the touchpad driver by right-clicking on the touchpad device and selecting Uninstall device. Then just simply restart your computer and Windows will automatically reinstall the touchpad drivers. Number 5. Adjust touchpad settings. For this, press the Windows plus I key together to open the settings app. Then from there, go to Bluetooth and Devices option. After that, scroll down and then select Touchpad. And from there, ensure that the touchpad option is turned on. Number 6. Disable and re-enable touchpad. For this, again press Windows plus I key together to open the Windows settings. Then from there, navigate to Devices and select Touchpad. And then from there, make sure to toggle the switch under touchpad to turn it off. Then after that, wait a few seconds and toggle it back on. Then check if the two-finger scroll is working after re-enabling the touchpad. Number 7. Perform a system restore. For this, type create a restore point in the Windows search bar. Then from there, click on System Restore under the System Protection tab. It will automatically prompt you to select a certain date and open the restoring window. But note, if you previously created a restore point, you should utilize it. Otherwise, the computer will automatically display a recommended date for restoration. Then just simply click Finish to complete the process. The finishing time is a few minutes. When finished, your computer will automatically reboot. Number 8. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. For this, press the Windows plus R key together to open the run box. Then in the run box, type msgt.exe/id device diagnostics and press enter. Then just simply click on next to run the troubleshooter. Number 9. Verify that the ETD control center is running. For this, right-click on Windows icon and select Task Manager from the list. Then under the Processes tab, locate the ETD control center. If it's not there, it might be disabled under the Startup apps. Number 10. Reset touchpad gesture settings. For this, press the Windows plus I key together to open the Windows settings. Then from there, go to the Bluetooth and Devices option. Then scroll down and select Touchpad option. Now click the reset button next to reset touchpad settings and gesture to default option. Number 11. Run a virus scan. For this, type Windows Security in the Windows search bar. Then from there, click on Virus and Threat Protection. After that, under Current Threats, click on Quick Scan to perform a basic scan. But for a more comprehensive scan, you can also choose Full Scan. After that, if any threats are detected, Windows Defender will automatically provide options to remove or quarantine them. So this was it for the video guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.